Hello everyone, in front of me is NOKIA C21 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, then go to Settings, and now select Display. Here pick Advanced and select Wallpaper. And here you can choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Let me pick, for example, Art. Now select the picture that you wish to cover your screen with. And then click on confirmation mark. Then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. Let me choose both. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.